Paying for 5 AI tools? Here is how to replace them with one workflow platform. If you are creating content today, chances are your workflow looks something like this. You open one AI tool to write the text, then another tool to generate images, then a third tool to remove backgrounds, then a design tool to put everything together, and maybe one more tool to upscale or edit the final result. By the end of the process, you've jumped between 5 different platforms, copied and pasted the same assets multiple times, and paid for several subscriptions just to create one piece of content. This is exactly the problem Picsart Flow was created to solve. Chances are you are spending a lot on AI tools. For example, tools like Midjourney, Runway, and ChatGPT. They are powerful on their own, but using all of them together can be hard to manage and expensive to maintain. In this economy, it's all about optimizing your spending. With your current setup, you are losing both time and money. I'm Haik, and today I'll show you how to replace your entire AI stack with one tool, Picsart Flow. It handles everything in a single workflow. Let's break down the cost of AI tools for creatives. Midjourney for AI image generation is about $30 on average. Runway for animation and video editing is another $30 for a mid-tier plan. If you want to brainstorm content, marketing ideas, and taglines, ChatGPT Plus costs about $20 per month. Using Canva for templates and quick layouts is around $15 per month. And on top of that, a stock photo subscription like Adobe Stock or Getty Images can cost up to $120 per month for premium plans. Now, let's look at the math. You could be spending $215 or more every month on these tools. That adds up to thousands per year. Not to mention how frustrating it is to manage multiple accounts and switch between platforms. It's inefficient and expensive. Now let's look at how this changes with Picsart Flow. Instead of jumping between 5 different platforms, Picsart Flow brings multiple AI models and creative tools into one workspace. Inside Picsart Flow, you can generate AI images using popular models like Nano Banana, Flux, and Ideogram. Create or edit video content with models like Kling, Veo, Pika, and Sora. Write captions, prompts, or scripts using ChatGPT and Claude Sonnet. Design layouts and resize content for social with an easy-to-use workflow. So instead of opening a bunch of tabs, tracking where your assets are, and worrying about high monthly costs, you are building everything in one place. Using Picsart Flow isn't just about saving money. It's also about efficiency and automation. For example, you can build a workflow that creates prompts, generates visuals, animates them, and exports the final asset. Since there are no rigid templates, you are not locked into predefined structures. You can build workflows that match exactly what you want to create. For example, a marketer might build a workflow that generates ad visuals. A YouTuber might create a workflow that generates thumbnail concepts. And because everything is visual, you can instantly see how your pipeline works. Once you set this up, you can reuse it again and again. Instead of repeating the same steps every time, Picsart Flow handles the process for you. And that's a huge time saver if you are posting consistently. If you are tired of juggling multiple AI tools and spending too much on subscriptions, try Picsart Flow to take control of your creative process with a single automated workflow. Have fun and don't forget to experiment with your own workflows. I'm Haik, and I'll see you in the next video.